అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సుమా గారు హాయ్.
హలో.
చాలా రోజుల నుంచి కలవట్లేదు.
అవును.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
ఆల్వేస్ సూపర్ డూపర్ ఫైన్.
అంత ఎనర్జీ కనిపించలేదు ఏంటి ఈరోజు?
కనిపించట్లేదా? అంటే ఎక్కువ అరిస్తే స్పీకర్స్ పేలిపోతాయి అని చెప్పి నేను కొంచెం లోగానే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
ఓకే, నైస్ టు సీ యూ ఆల్వేస్. యా, సేమ్ డైలాగ్ చెప్తారు.
ఇతనికి స్పెషల్ పేమెంట్ ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా? ఎప్పుడు
సేమ్ థింగ్, సేమ్ 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 సేమ్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఏంటి డల్గా ఉన్నారు అందరు ఈరోజు? మధ్యాహ్నం బిర్యానీ పట్టట్లేదా? నాని సార్, నైస్ టు మీట్ యూ సార్. Thank you for gracing you with your charming presence to our event. A huge fan of you, fan of your work. I have to talk about you for a bit because you do an overwhelming jersey and then you come and do Ante Sundaraniki and make us all laugh. And suddenly you come with Dasra, shock us all. I mean, the kind of boundaries you transcend is truly inspiring. Waiting for Saripoda Shanivaram, because I'm a huge fan of Ante Sundaraniki. I've seen it like about 4 times now. Thank you so much. Darling, naku oka cinema kaadu. I have to say it's been an emotion. Darling movie naku oka very tough time lo unnappudu vachina cinema. ప్రతి రోజు ఒక కొత్త అడ్వెంచర్, ప్రతిరోజు ఒక కొత్త ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లా ఉండింది. Every day I've gone to sleep with a huge smile on my face with Darling. ఏ ఆర్టిస్ట్ కైనా జర్నలిస్ట్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ రోల్, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ క్యారెక్టర్, వాట్ యూ వాంట్ డూ నెక్స్ట్. ఐ థింక్ నన్ను కెరియర్ బిగిన్ నుంచి అడుగుతూనే ఉన్నారు. టుడే I can confidently say that I've landed my dream role with Darling. I can't wait for July 19th, like ma'am told, so that I can come and yabble everything about what I've done. Diniki mukhyanga nenu Ashwin, our writer, producer, director, for first of all writing this beautiful role. And somehow universe sending this to me. Ashwin, the way you worked, the way you've taken this project forward, I've seen it 24/7. You've like strived for it. July 19th, Janal Chustaru, the kind of magician you are. Thank you so much for being this huge support system and helping me get through this process. Because you know the kind of paranoia I had throughout this movie. Thank you so much, Ashwin, for just being you and putting on that smile throughout the movie, throughout the shooting process. Darshi, andaru manchiga matladaru, but I have to say I had one of the most wonderful experiences filming this movie with you. Thank you for being the Raghava for my Anandi and making this role special for me and being super, super supportive and bringing your huge, enormous talent to this film. Thank you so much. Chaitanya ma'am laga nenu kuda ee roju koncham nervous ga unna, koncham onta kuda baaledu, so bear with me if I just like get a little slow. Chaitanya ma'am, the kind of eye you guys have for content and the belief you guys have for pushing boundaries and the kind of passion, I have to say hats off. Niranjan sir ledu, expect chesa vastarani, release kaina vastara. So thank you so much. Hanuman lanti pedda cinema teeskocharu mana industry ki, and with Darling I hope it continues the second half. First half kuda meer acquire cheskunnaru, second half I hope it happens again. Naresh, hi. Naresh is one of the most passionate man I've seen. పొద్దున్నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ వరకు ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్ హీ పుట్స్ టు గెట్ హిస్ ఫ్రేమ్స్ రైట్. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ యూ హ్యావ్ మోర్ ఫ్యాన్స్ హియర్, no? Do you not? Yeah, thank you so much. And your team, Nitin, Gimbal Raju. I always mention Gimbal Raju because నేను గింబల్ రాజు ఒకసారి కాశ్మీర్లో షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు we went to one secluded huge snow filled mountains అన్నమాట. అక్కడ ఎవరు లేరు. Ashwin and everybody were in the corner because we were taking like this round shot. అట్లానే అశ్విన్ ఏం చెప్పినా మనం చేసేవాడు. One time he told Raju climb the tree. He would have climbed the tree if you had not stopped him. He's that good. Naresh, thank you so much for making me look beautiful, firstly. Secondly, for bringing your great talent for our movie. Vivek sir, I'm a huge fan of your work. Sammohanam is one of my favorite track. Ippudu kuda when I'm like little dull, I keep it goes on in a loop entire album anamata. And thank you for giving me Rahi, my first ever solo song in my career. Sham sir, appudu Ismat Shankar, ippudu Darling, naku manchi songs, manchi lyrics icharu. Thank you so much. Ananya, it was lovely working with you. And Hemant, how much ever Ashwin and everybody has worked with me, Hemant was also there throughout the process. And I think he used to also help me with rehearsals, lines, and intonations and everything. Thank you, Hemant. Gandhi sir, thank you so much for your amazing sets and like gorgeous frames. Hi. So hi. Yeah. Ayyo, why am I nervous today? Yeah, and Situ is not here, but he's been a huge pillar for our film. Thank you, Sitaram. And I have to thank one man, Sunil. Sita Sunil Naidu, Sunny Bond. Sunny, thank you for being this huge friend and getting this movie to me. Thank you so much. You can look at me. Look at the phone later. And definitely my team, Karthik, Neela, Sandy, Bharat, Dilip, everybody who's been with me throughout this past 1.5 years, where I was just looking for getting this correct kind of project. Last but not the least, my family is here. Appa, Amma, and my brother. They've been a huge support throughout my past couple of years. And I don't think I would have done what I've done without their support. Thank you so much. డార్లింగ్ 19th వస్తుంది, మీరందరూ థియేటర్కి రండి. పైసా వసూల్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. మళ్ళీ వస్తారు, మళ్ళీ చూస్తారు. యుల్ డెఫినెట్లీ హ్యావ్ ఫన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I know it was an emotional journey for you and wishing you super success.
Thank you so much
for all the hard work that you have put. Personally and professionally చాలా పెద్ద సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ ఉన్నాము నభా. అండ్ అలాగే నేను ఎలాగైతే చిన్న వయసు నుంచి యాంకరింగ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నానో దర్శి కూడా